What's up? So today I'm back with another weight loss video, and this one is going to be a weight loss tip video, which is going to be about detox water to help melt belly fat and boost your weight loss journey. So actually, you know what, I don't even want to call it a weight loss journey, I want to call it a health journey. So people have been asking me how to start like a healthier journey, because yeah, I mean, if you're healthier, it's going to help you become like better, and in the long run help you like lose weight. So let's call it a healthier you kind of. How do you get into a healthier you, or how do you start like eating healthy? And this is honestly the best way I can suggest to do it. Basically is you detox your body, you clean your body, you use whatever it is you can within your disposal to clean your body. So I wanted to share with you my detox water. So detox water is the perfect place to start to become healthier, because it washes away all the impurities, like takes away all the toxins out of your body. And trust me, you feel better after doing this. Actually, in fact, after 3 days of doing this, you start to actually feel better. Your skin feels better, you feel like happier, in a better space of mind. So this is my detox water, and it's already really late. It's already 5 and I'm not even halfway the bottle. Today I've been really bad. Normally I use a straw, but this straw is kind of short, so it doesn't go all the way in. But yeah, I feel like the straw makes it easier to drink, but the straw is short, so every now sometimes I just have to keep doing that, like drinking off of the bottle. So I make sure to finish this by the end of the day, but I just wanted to show you what I do, what I put in. This is today's water, but I normally like leave it overnight to like for all the ingredients to infuse into the water, so then I drink it the next morning. So I'm going to do it now. I know my kitchen might be a mess, I don't know if you can see it or not, but if you can't, thank God. If you can though, I'm sorry. Today I've been like doing a lot of creation, like recipe creation, so it's a bit of a mess here, but this is definitely something you should try yourself. I'm doing it for this week because I was kind of bad over the weekend. So if you're like me and you had like some kind of indulgence over the weekend, or maybe you want to like restart, this is perfect for you. I don't know what reason is it that you guys want to do the detox for, because I'm pretty sure you guys researched about the detox only to find this video. So just let me know in the comment section down below what it is you're doing the detox for, because for me it's just because I indulged over the weekend and I need to like kind of reset my system. And I also wanted to properly show you how to cut lemons, you know, because people use lemons in detox water, but they don't really do it the right way. So I just wanted to show you guys how to use lemons the right way in detox water. So of course you're going to need a bottle to infuse. This particular bottle is 2.3 liters of water, which is enough for me because I take this as well as this in every morning when I work out. The red water is cranberry juice. I just put like 2 tablespoons of cranberry juice in a liter of water and drink that in the morning, and then after that continue with this. So we're going to start with the mint. Mint is really good because it adds flavor, it smells great, but it also helps with bloating. So I add that to my bottle. And then I'm going to add cilantro, because cilantro helps to reduce on belly fat and also helps with making like a better flavor. Some people like cilantro, some don't. You can use cucumber if you do, but if you like, but I don't like the taste of cucumber personally. I like it in fresh salad, so you add like some cilantro. And then for the ginger, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grate it. And ginger is really good because it tastes so good. It boosts your metabolism and also aids in weight loss. So because of all those components and so much more, what we're going to do is just grate it so that we can get all the things that ideally you can blend it, but I don't have a blend at the moment, so I'm going to use my grater just to get all the flavors out of there. Okay, we don't have to do it all, that should do. So add your ginger to the bottle. And then finally for the lemon, of course you wash it, and then you want to get, like I said, I wanted to show you guys how to make lemon the right way so that you can get all the nutrients out of it. So you get your lemon and get the zest off, so you get all the nutrients from the zest. And then finally To make it easier to juice the lemon, you roll it and add some pressure to it to soften it, and then cut it. So you can use I don't have one of those squeezers. The one I have is so bulky, so using my hand is always easier. So after this, you want to get your lemon and cut it. Add the lemon skin, the lemon peels to the bottle, and then finally just add the water to the pitcher. And voila, there you have it. This is how I make my detox water. So if you want to improve your daily digestion, stay hydrated, and remove all the toxins out of your body, you should definitely try this detox water. But ideally you should take this for every day for like a week, just to cleanse your system, and then after that you can just go back to your regular water, and if you like it you can continue. It's actually really harmless. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful and liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this: health, weight loss tips, healthy recipes, healing naturally, munchies, all the good stuff. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified. See you next time, guys. Bye.